One neat feature in Archicad is that we can substitute many different library parts, being windows, doors, or whatever we select, into another library part en masse all at the same time. So we can change all these different windows, for example, into one particular type of window, but it will keep all these sizes, so all the size attributes will stay the same. Just to illustrate that a bit better, if I click on the window tool and go Control or Apple A, select all the windows, then I open the window library, and over here I choose a window that I want all the windows to become. So let's say I want it to become a casement, and without clicking on it, I hold the Control and Alt key down, and if I want them all to be these double sash windows, or this casement, we see the injection icon come up, left mouse click on that, and push OK. Now all those windows will change to that type of window and keep all the sizes. So if we wanted to explore some different design alternatives quickly, it's a great way to change all your windows into another style of window. Another example of using this would be when you're bringing in an old project into Archicad. Here all the library parts are missing or changed. All the internal doors, if I wanted to select all these common elements, which is a swinging door, if I click on this door here, it will keep all the sizes. It will keep all those sizes and make all the library parts correct. Another alternative is if I'm in the 3D window, pushing F3. If I know these windows are all identical, I can open the library once again and choose Windows. This is just a W1 casement, push OK, and all those windows will fill in with the right window, even when the sizes are different. Open the library once again, hold down the Alt and Control key, left mouse click, push OK, and there we have all the windows replaced. This is obviously a door. And so we can quickly replace all the windows in a project by using this technique. There's nothing that stops you from just grabbing all the windows at the same time throughout a project and doing the same thing. Just changing it to and all the windows in the whole project are now changed. Definitely save some time if you need to change all your windows. We can also use the find and select command and look for something specific. All the doors that might be a sliding door, push OK, add that to the selection, and add that also to the selection, which allows us to grab all our sliding doors. And we open the door tool and select might want to select all the windows now and then change the frame color. Change the frame color to perhaps just a high gloss black. Change the sash also to a high gloss black, push OK, then all our windows will be a uniform colour. I could do the same thing to the doors now if I wanted to. Now this was just to illustrate that this technique can be used for doors and windows equally effectively.